Okay, picking a fresh color here just to change it up a little bit. This problem just, it requires a bunch of juggling around, but there's nothing particularly, I think, difficult about it. Just got to follow all the steps. So we've got negative 6p plus 7 equals, we're going to distribute this through. So we've got 6p minus 9 plus negative 4, oops, negative 4 times negative 10 is plus 40. And negative 4 times 4p is negative 16p. Oops. Okay. And now we've just got to combine like terms first on this side. This 6p and this negative 16p, okay, is going to be negative 10p. And this negative 9 plus 40 works out combined to be plus 31. And we've still got this negative 6p plus 7 on this side. Okay. Now we can start to do the addition property of equality and add the same amount to both sides. I'm going to add this 10p first. Okay. So we've got negative 6p plus 7 plus 10p equals negative 10p plus 31 plus 10p. And these combine to be 4p plus 7. And I deliberately did that to make to have positive p's at the end. I knew that if I added 10p here, it would go away, and adding 10p here would push me into the positives. And I don't know, felt like doing it. It's nice to have positive coefficients, less likely to make errors with integer values, positive, negative numbers. These go together to cancel out, and we just left with 31 on this side. And now I'm going to subtract that 7 from both sides. So 4p plus 7, take away 7, equals 31. Take away 7. 4p is equal to 24. And dividing both sides by 4, p equals 6. Okay, and we'll do a proof on this. Let me see if I can shrink this down a little bit and just kind of move it over to there. Maybe that's fine. Okay. I'm going to do a slightly different color here. So let's see, negative 6p. Oh, and I'm going to write proof up here. Proof. Negative 6p plus 7. Actually, you know what? Why am I doing that? I'm going to, oops. Sorry about that. I'm going to cut and drop this in. That's just a way better way to do it for me. Okay, saves me a lot of time. I'll still write proof up top. Proof. Forgive my handwriting. Okay, so now we've got negative 6 parentheses 6 plus 7 equals 3 brackets 2 times 6 minus 3 close brackets. I'm trying to save space here because I'm short on space. Minus 4 brackets negative 10 plus 4 parentheses 6. There you go. Fit it in. Okay, and now when I simplify this, I've got negative 36. Actually, I'm going to keep that for a second. And I'm going to just do what's inside the brackets first. Equals 3 parentheses 12 minus 3 minus 4 parentheses negative 10 plus 24. Okay, and continuing that, I'm going to say negative 6 parentheses 6 plus 7 equals 3 parentheses 9 minus 4 parentheses 14. They go together to be. Now I can do the multiplication. So negative 36. What I was doing there, just to be clear, I was waiting on that step because what I want to do is I want to do order of operations first, and I say I'm going to do everything in parentheses first, then I will do all the multiplication. Okay, so now I can say negative 6 times 6 is negative 36 plus 7 equals 3 times 9, 27. Negative 4 times 14 is minus 56. And negative 36 plus 7 is negative 29 equals 27 minus 56. That one's a little bit dodgy for me to do. So I'm gonna write down here on the bottom, change colors for a second. I'm gonna do, okay, if we wanted to do, fun fact, if we wanted to do 27 minus 56, okay, we could, that's equal to the negative of switching the order of it, 56 minus 27. That's just a way, that's just a fact. If you reverse these numbers, you'll get the opposite. Okay? So now I can say, okay, that's equal to minus, what do we get when we do 56 minus 27? 56 minus 27. 9, 29. So it's the negative minus, sorry, the negative of 29. So that equals negative 29. Okay? Oh, and look, that's looking back at our problem. That's what I wanted. I wanted negative 29. Check. Okay, and again, I'm going to get this work out of here because I actually don't want to have all of that work in the way. Just wanted to show you that that was the actual math that works. So there you go. Sorry that this was a little smushed in. That was not ideal. I was trying to dodge this part of it. And that's just an unfortunate fact when you do it like I'm doing it with the plus 10p on each side. It kind of sometimes it makes a long line here and sticks over a little further. But I still prefer it because this is an equivalent statement to this, which 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 is an equivalent statement to this. And if you had plus 10p down here, you'd have a line that said plus 10p, and that line would not be equivalent to all the other things. So this is preferable even if it makes a little bit longer line.